Namaste everyone. Bharti Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Today we will explore a very loved and practical sutra, Sutra number 1.33, which teaches us how to keep the mind peaceful in every relationship. After teaching us to bring the mind back to one steady point in the previous sutra, 1.32, Maharishi Patanjali now guides us towards harmony in our daily relationships because the mind does not exist in isolation. It moves and reacts with the world around us. Sutra 1.33 shows how to keep the mind calm through right attitudes towards others. The sutra is Maitri Karuna Mudita Upekshanam Sukha Dukha Punya Apunya Vishayanam Bhavanata Chitta Prasadam. The meaning is by cultivating the attitudes of friendliness, compassion, joy, and equanimity towards those who are happy, suffering, virtuous, or non virtuous, the mind becomes clear, calm, and pure. Maharishi Patanjali now teaches us a profound psychology of emotional balance called parikarmas. The four parikarmas are as follows. The first one, Maitri, friendliness towards happy. When we see someone doing well, we respond with genuine warmth. This reduces jealousy and fills the mind with openness. The second is Karuna, compassion towards the suffering. Instead of irritation or judgment, we feel tenderness. This melts harshness within the heart. The third is Mudita, joy towards the virtuous. When someone is doing good, progressing, living ethically virtuous, we celebrate their goodness. This removes competitiveness and cynicism. The fourth is upeksha, equanimity towards the non-virtuous, those who are doing wrong. Instead of anger and hatred, we maintain steady balance, neither enabling nor hating. This protects the mind from agitation. Maharishi Patanjali's message is clear. Peace comes not from controlling others, but from cultivating the right attitude within yourself. The essence of this sutra is that each of these attitudes, called parikarmas, breaks one mental poison. Maitri dissolves jealousy, Karuna dissolves harshness, Mudita dissolves envy and comparison, Upeksha dissolves anger and agitation. When these inner poisons dissolve, the mind becomes naturally prasannam, clear, joyful, luminous. For example, if the mind is a lake, these attitudes or parikarmas are like gentle filters that keep the water clean, no matter what falls into it, leaves, mud, etc. Likewise, your reactions decide whether the mind stays peaceful like clear water. Having understood these parikarmas, ask yourself, when someone is happy, do I feel joy or subtle jealousy? When I see someone suffering, does compassion arise or irritation? Can I genuinely appreciate the goodness in others? Can I hold steady when someone behaves wrongly? Which of these four attitudes can I practice more consciously today? So, the Sutra 1.33 is a direct and practical teaching for emotional mastery. It helps us stay peaceful, not by changing the world, but by changing our response. These four attitudes light up the mind with clarity and friendliness. Sutra 1.33 is one of the most widely loved sutras. that shows how to keep the mind calm through right attitudes towards others. So now I will see you in the next episode with Sutra 1.34. Namaste.